Hello, my dear students and parents. Are you looking at an institute to prepare for various entrance exams? In this video, I want to talk about why Career Launcher is the best place. Number one, comprehensive offline preparation under one roof. So, starting from classroom teaching to study material to test series, interview preparation, WAT preparation, analysis of the mock test, strategy, guidance. कौन कौन से फॉर्म भरने हैं, एडमिशन कंसल्टिंग, मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस हैं आपके सामने, 2-3 कॉलेज में सिलेक्शन हुआ, कहां पे जाना है. सो एंड टू एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सपोर्ट है जब तक आपका एक कॉलेज में सिलेक्शन नहीं हो जाता. दैट इज व्हाई करियर लॉन्चर इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर यू. सीयूईटी की अगर हम बात करते हैं, वी ऑफर यू सपोर्ट फॉर इंग्लिश, डोमेन्स एंड जीएटी. इंग्लिश एंड जनरल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट की ऑफलाइन प्रिपरेशन तो हर जगह अवेलेबल है, बट विद करियर लॉन्चर मोस्ट ऑफ द subjects are also covered in the offline format. Domain offline preparation is something which is important. Example लेते हैं economics का. Microeconomics of class 11th is now completely there in your CUT 2025 curriculum जो आपको तैयार करना पड़ेगा. And ऐसे हर subject के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ changes हैं. Offline domain preparation is not offered to you by anyone. It is only offered by Career Launcher, and that is something which becomes very, very important for you. Experts, faculty, and mentors. If I look at the profile of the faculty, they are one of the best mentors in the city to prepare you for these entrance examinations. The best academic team in the city is with Career Launcher. The faculties at Career Launcher write all the major entrance exam wherever we are eligible. Dr. Jyoti, who is the director academics, wrote CUT multiple times. I have personally written CUT multiple times. Dr. Jyoti teaches verbal and critical reasoning, and she's a perfect 100 percentiler. Very few to score 100% marks. 200 upon 200. ऑल इंडिया लेवल टेस्ट सीरीज करियर लॉन्चर में ज्वाइन करते हैं तो आपको हम एक्सपोज करते हैं ऑल इंडिया लेवल की टेस्ट सीरीज के साथ. व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑल द एग्जाम, सीयूटी, आईपी मैट, बीबीए और एनी अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, दे आर ऑल एट ऑल इंडिया लेवल. एग्जाम ऑल इंडिया लेवल के हैं तो टेस्टिंग ऑल इंडिया लेवल की होनी चाहिए, रैंकिंग आपको ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे आनी चाहिए, बेंचमार्किंग पता चलना चाहिए कि वेयर डू यू स्टैंड, the analysis of these mock tests. So all India level test series is a very, very integral part and important program, feature of the program. And Career Launcher is the best place because Career Launcher has got 200 plus branches. So with Career Launcher, your chance of getting a real predicted rank is the best. If I talk about the material, the comprehensive printed study material in the form of revision notes, important hai revision notes. So whatever we have done is we have prepared concise, comprehensive notes by expert faculty at Career Launcher head office. So they have prepared these notes in a very concise format जो कि आप 30 to 45 day की window के अंदर complete कर सकते हैं. The kind of result, this is something which we feel really proud of. The result we have produced year after year gives us confidence to stand here and talk about why Career Launcher. All India rank 1 this year in CLAT is a Career Launcher student. All India rank 1 in Symbiosis last year 2024. Sachi is a Career Launcher student. All India rank 1 Nasimonji Kushag is a Career Launcher student. All India rank 10 in IP University Common Entrance Test is a Career Launcher student last year. All India rank 12 in NCHMCT is a Career Launcher student. So the kind of rankers we have produced are phenomenal. IP MAT 5-year integrated program. We have produced good number of results. All the students you see on the screen are from Career Launcher Gurgaon, and whenever we talk about our results, they are, look at the name, we have mentioned their school name and which IIM they got shortlisted for. So all the students who got shortlisted are mentioned over here. We have got 1200 plus students who scored perfect scores in CUT 2024 across the country, and 56 students from Career Launcher Gurgaon Sector 14 and Sector 83 scored perfect 100% scores. Look at their name. Similarly, so whenever we talk about results, we talk about school name, we talk about rank or the subject, and we also talk about the year. Nobody is going to talk to you about the results in such an authentic way. We have got good number of students. So these are perfect 100% scorers. This slide talk about results, our selections in Delhi University. We have got good number of students getting into SRCC, St. Stephen's, Hindu, Miranda, Kirorimal, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, Jesus and Mary, and many, many more colleges. Please walk into Career Launcher Center for us to share all these details with you in a one-to-one format. These are our selections in CLAT 2025. The exam happened last year, December. Last December. So we have produced phenomenal results year after year, and that makes us one of the best places to prepare for various entrance examination. So what are you looking for? Walk into a Career Launcher Center. We are there in Sector 14 and Sector 83. We are also reachable at 8860608001. Don't take chances. Before you join anywhere else, walk in, talk to us, explore. All the very best. Looking forward to catch up with you soon. Bye-bye.